Alright, what's going on everybody? So today I'm bringing you a review on the E92 M3. This happens to be my dad's car. He's right here. I'm gonna start off by getting his opinion on the car, just so you guys don't think I'm biased. Here we go. Alright, so the first question I'm gonna ask you, what do you like the most about this car?
It's multi-dimensional. When I'm driving around, I can drive it easy, or if all of a sudden I feel like I want to go ahead and put the pedal down, usually I'm passing every single car.
Why did you want to buy an M3? What was your desire?
I wanted to go faster than my 550 BMW would go.
Okay.
Simple answer.
Alright, so moving on. What is the worst part? Like, what do you not like about this car?
It can be expensive to service over time. Like, I just got 2 new tires on the back. That was $900. So just be prepared for spending some money to support and make sure that the M3 is always in top-notch condition for your driving pleasure.
Alright, so you heard it from the man himself. Just a couple questions so it doesn't seem like I'm too biased on this. I'm gonna go ahead and take this car out for a drive. Let's go ahead and get into it. You know what, before I forget, my freaking wallet. So, this E92 M3, bone stock, has not been modified in the slightest bit. But this car reaches kind of a wide audience in terms of car enthusiasts. And, you know, these are starting to become way more popular because they're dropping in price. But it's kind of becoming something that is going back up in price. So it's kind of confusing. The market for these cars is pretty solid. There's really nothing to complain about with these. So I'm just letting the car warm up a little bit. The infamous rod bearings, you want to let these cars warm up. And as you can tell, the gauge that indicates whether the car is warm or not, this one happens to be right after 7,500 RPM. So a lot of people are gonna ask this question. A majority of people are kind of considering the car, but at the same time they might not. Should you buy an E92 or E90 M3? And my honest answer to that is yes. If you are in a position where you can afford maintenance costs of this car, which is kind of steep, but compared to other BMWs, it's not so bad. You know, you have your typical rod bearing service, and really, you can just set aside that money and then go ahead and get it done as a preventative measure. This wheel is way better than a 335 wheel. Like, even if it's the sport one, like this one I feel like I can just, you know, this is honestly a legendary motor, the S65, cross-plane crank V8, sucks gas like no other. It's seriously so bad with gas, like I can't explain. If you're doing road trips in this car, be prepared. It gets pricey. The ITBs, the individual throttle bodies on the engine, will definitely pick up. It's so, you hear a lot of the engine noise. Did I not record that? Literally, like, when you get up into the RPMs, you feel like you have to shift, but you don't. I get scared. I'm not used to it, so I always shift early. And I really don't like bringing it all the way out. I know it's made to do it, but I feel like I'm straining it. I hope each and every one of you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a like. It'd seriously help me out a lot. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you in the next one.